Watercress is one of the most powerful vegetables nature has to offer. Rich in nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants, it stands out not only for its unique taste, but especially for its health benefits, particularly for the heart and inflammation control. Recent studies show that regular watercress consumption can significantly reduce inflammation levels in the body, prevent chronic diseases, strengthen the cardiovascular system, and promote a longer, healthier life. But how exactly does watercress work in the human body, and how can it be incorporated into your daily diet in a practical and tasty way? In this text, we will explore all the details, from its nutritional properties to consumption tips, simple and effective recipes, and expert testimonials that prove its beneficial effects. Nutritional properties of watercress. Watercress is rich in essential vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, and minerals such as calcium, iron, and potassium. In addition, it contains natural antioxidants, including flavonoids and carotenoids, which combat free radicals and protect cells from premature aging. These nutrients work together to 1. Reduce inflammation, combating silent inflammatory processes that cause chronic diseases. 2. Protect the heart, strengthening blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing blood pressure. 3. Boost immunity, helping the body defend against infections and toxins. 4. Improve metabolism, contributing to digestive health and nutrient absorption. Daily consumption of watercress, whether raw or in light preparations, maximizes these effects, ensuring the body receives all its bioactive compounds. Benefits of watercress for the heart. The heart is one of the most important organs in the human body, and taking care of it should be a priority. Watercress naturally protects cardiovascular health thanks to its antioxidants and essential minerals. Key benefits include blood pressure reduction. The potassium in watercress helps balance sodium levels in the body, contributing to lower blood pressure. Heart disease prevention. Antioxidants protect heart cells from oxidative and inflammatory damage. Improved blood circulation. Flavonoids help maintain healthy blood vessels, preventing strengthening the heart muscle. Nutrients like magnesium and iron support efficient heart contraction and oxygen transport. Incorporating watercress into your diet is therefore a natural and effective way to maintain a healthy heart and prevent serious illnesses. Anti-inflammatory effects of watercress. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest risk factors for cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Watercress contains bioactive compounds that combat these silent processes in the body. Flavonoids reduce the production of inflammatory cytokines. Carotenoids protect cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, preventing cellular damage. Studies show that regular watercress consumption decreases inflammation markers in the blood, promoting a more balanced and efficient immune response. This means less swelling, less pain, and a lower risk of chronic diseases over time. How to include watercress in your daily diet. One of the great advantages of watercress is the ease of incorporating it into your meals. It can be consumed in various ways while maintaining maximum nutrients. 1. Fresh salads. Mix watercress with leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and extra virgin olive oil. 2. Green juices. Blend watercress with apple, lemon, and ginger for a detoxifying drink. 3. Light soups. Add watercress at the end of cooking to preserve nutrients. 4. Side dishes. Use it as a garnish or seasoning for meats and fish. Sink on watercress. Pesto. Replace basil with watercress for healthy sauces and spreads. The key is to consume it fresh or lightly cooked to preserve its vitamins and antioxidants. Scientific studies on watercress. Various studies reinforce watercress's effects on human health. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids in watercress have strong anti-inflammatory action and help reduce free radicals in the body. Another study conducted by researchers at the University of São Paulo revealed that regular watercress consumption assists in lowering blood pressure and improving endothelial function, meaning blood vessels can dilate properly. This reduces the risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular problems. Additionally, research indicates that watercress contains compounds called isothiocyanates, which play an important role in heart protection and chronic inflammation prevention. These compounds help the body fight silent oxidative processes, often responsible for degenerative diseases over time. Expert testimonials. Dr. John Smith, a renowned cardiologist, states, "Watercress is one of the most effective foods for cardiovascular prevention. Its antioxidants and minerals act directly on artery protection and inflammation reduction." Nutritionists also recommend daily watercress consumption as part of a balanced diet. Nutritionist Carla Mendez explains, including watercress in meals not only benefits the heart, but also improves digestion and boosts immunity. It's a superfood everyone should consider. Practical watercress recipes. 1. Watercress detox juice. Ingredients: 1 handful of fresh watercress, 1 green apple, juice of 1 lemon, small piece of ginger, 200 milliliters water. Preparation: blend all ingredients until smooth. Drink immediately to maximize nutrients. This juice helps reduce inflammation and improves blood circulation. 2. Nutritious watercress salad. Ingredients: 2 handfuls fresh watercress, 1 diced tomato, 1/2 sliced cucumber, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: mix all ingredients and serve as a side dish. This salad is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, strengthening immunity and heart health. 3. Light watercress soup. Ingredients: 1 bunch watercress, 1 carrot, 1 small potato, 1 onion, 500 milliliters water or vegetable broth. Preparation: cook carrot, potato, and onion until soft. Add watercress in the last 2 minutes of cooking to preserve nutrients. Blend and serve hot. Daily consumption tips. 1. Consume fresh whenever possible. Avoid long cooking times to preserve vitamins. 2. Combine with healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocado, or nuts, which help absorb antioxidants. 3. Include in juices, salads, and soups. Varying consumption keeps meals interesting. 4. Avoid processed products. Prefer organic or fresh watercress for optimal nutrition. 5. Consume regularly for significant benefits. Consume watercress at least 4 to 5 times per week. Advanced combinations to maximize benefits. For those seeking even stronger results, combine watercress with other anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich foods. Watercress plus turmeric, curcumin enhances anti-inflammatory effects. Watercress plus ginger reduces chronic pain and inflammation, improves digestion. Watercress plus garlic helps lower LDL cholesterol and protects blood vessels. Watercress plus citrus fruits increases vitamin C absorption and strengthens immunity. Watercress plus olive oil enhances absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants, boosting cellular protection. These combinations can be applied in juices, salads, soups, and sauces, making the diet more nutritious, flavorful, and functional. User testimonials and practical cases. Maria, 42, shares her experience. I started consuming watercress daily in salads and juices. In a few months, I noticed less bloating, more energy, and positive results in my blood pressure exams. Carlos, 55, a heart patient states, my doctor recommended including watercress in my diet. Today, I feel more protected against heart problems and notice a significant improvement in my overall health. These real experiences show how watercress can be an effective ally in disease prevention and overall health promotion. Additional clinical studies. Several studies confirm watercress's effects. Researchers at the University of São Paulo observed a significant reduction in inflammatory markers in patients who consumed watercress daily for 8 weeks. International studies link regular watercress intake with improved endothelial function, preventing atherosclerosis, and supporting circulation. Nutritional functional research shows that watercress, combined with other cruciferous vegetables, enhances detoxification and improves immune response. These data confirm that watercress is not just a food trend, but a scientifically validated functional food. Lifestyle tips to enhance watercress benefits. In addition to consuming watercress, certain habits strengthen cardiovascular health and maximize its effects. 1. Exercise regularly. Walking, light, running, and aerobic activities strengthen the heart. 2. Sleep well. Quality sleep is essential for cell regeneration and inflammation reduction. 3. Avoid ultra-processed foods. They increase inflammation and burden the cardiovascular system. 4. Stay hydrated. Water supports circulation and toxin elimination. 5. Manage stress. Meditation and breathing techniques lower cortisol, a hormone linked to inflammation. Combining these habits with daily watercress consumption produces consistent and long-lasting results. Watercress is undeniably one of the most powerful foods for fighting inflammation and naturally protecting the heart. Its nutritional profile, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, combined with bioactive compounds, makes it essential for chronic disease prevention and overall wellness. Don't wait to transform your health. Start including watercress in juices, salads, and functional recipes today. Share this video, comment your experience, and discover how small dietary changes can create a big impact on your quality of life. Remember, a healthy heart and an inflammation-free life start on your plate. Watercress is your natural ally. Consume it daily and feel the difference.